Everybody need a little fresh air. You know? When I'm going and stressing, I need some fresh air. Sometimes I take a long ride and enjoy the fresh air. Hey, Granddad, I'm vlogging. You want to say what's up to the people? Granddad, you know, he old school. He like, I don't know what vlogging mean, you know?
Really don't. Really don't.
But he said, what's up, people? You know? King Nightlife back up here with y'all, catching up with y'all in this little vlog, you know. So I did end up making it down here to the shop, you know, and bringing the Roadmaster, the Buick Roadmaster down here. Did make it down here for that. But like I said, my guy says it's not a leak that's serious enough to change out the valve covers for. So now I got a surprise for y'all. Actually, waiting for my partner to pull up. I'm over here at the shop. We got the Electra. Got that Buick Electra over here. So you guys can check it out. Got the Electra up on the lift. Locate these spots. Do some welding on. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you guys. We're doing everything the Nightlife way. I'm gonna show y'all like, comment, and subscribe. My guy got the big beast over there. Yeah. Well, we here. Look at those drums, huh? So old school, man. Those drum brakes.
Still the new car brings that shit.
I know. I had a conversion van that had those on them. Yeah, so I know, man.
Maybe this one right here he's talking about. You see the chassis right here?
Yeah. You want me to hand you your phone? Oh, you got it.
This guy's butt dialing me. Hello. Dime.
Nightlife way.
Have your car locked up. They got strict rules. You know? You telling me about that. We said the same thing. Like, don't put that much money into this car.
Right there.
Yeah, he said the same thing. He said just get it running, let it be a classic you just drive. But don't try to put a bunch of money. I probably fix the floor, hole in the floor, and the muffler.
Yeah. That's normal, you know.
Yeah.
And that's
Treat it like a regular car.
listen. You can even do that shit yourself. The floors.
The floors?
Yeah.
The welding?
No, you don't have to weld them, I mean, because you gotta put the pudding. You get the rivets.
Oh, the rivet.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah, I heard
Because
that
you're gonna do, the first thing that you're gonna do is, you know, right there in where they sell all the paint in the car, next to the pawn shop, the shop, they got a small paint shop right there. The shop that sell paint.
Paint shop?
Yeah. You know West Main Street, like going to
King Nightlife back. Had to make a quick stop over here, you know, car wash, my normal thing. I had to vacuum Jade out. Put those jumping cables back where they came from. Usually don't ride with jumping cables in the back, just so you guys know. Put those back in another vehicle. Yeah, you know, I wanted to just catch up with y'all right quick. Enjoy a good vacuum together. Really soon. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get this vacuum started. Get these tires clean. And then I'm gonna catch up with y'all. Give you guys one more look at my baby. One more look at my baby. Yeah, so like I said, you know, I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum her up, clean these tires, and I'm gonna catch up with y'all moving forward. All right, y'all, so here we go. You know, just put the last finishing touches on her factory wheels here, you know. I think they came out looking pretty decent. I'm happy with the results of it, you know. Like I said, it was just a quick clean, little speed clean, really quick. You know, still got a lot of work to do. I cleaned these rims before with baking soda and vinegar, so you can kind of tell the before here, well, the before, obviously, and the after. I just never got back around to finishing the job because I was planning on taking these wheels off of the car, but whatever. You know, we're gonna go ahead and go in here and clean these up anyway. But yeah, like as you can see, before and after. So this is just with regular vinegar and baking soda. Most of the grind from the brakes off. Same thing with this side. Baking soda and vinegar. When I first purchased the car, I cleaned them with baking soda and vinegar. They were 100 times dirtier than what you see right now. So, you know, that brake grind that gets in there, you know, but they look pretty good, you know. I'm happy with it. Here we go with the last wheel here. This one's probably the most cleanest, in my opinion. The most cleanest wheel. But yeah, you know, I just wanted to go ahead and show y'all, you know, what we looking like. You know, and we do everything the Nightlife way. Moving forward.